Hello and welcome to today's video. So in this video I am going to be sharing a method with you for making money online and from home, which is mind-boggling to say the least. I'll put some numbers up on the, I can never remember which side it's on. I will put the numbers on the screen for you, okay? And you can have a look at some of those numbers there, because genuinely this is probably one of the more underrated methods for making money online and from home. It's simple to get started. You don't need any money. You don't need any experience. And here's the cool thing about this. Once you've got this up and running, you're starting to create an online digital asset which can bring you in money for months and even years down the line. So do the work once and you can be earning for a number of years. So as always, I'm going to share with you free tools, I will share with you free resources, and I'll walk you through this process from start to finish. So if you find the video useful, please give it a like. If you have any questions whatsoever, leave them down below. But let's dive in the laptop and I'll share with you this underrated method for making money online and from home. Hello and welcome to today's video. So we're not going to mess about, we will just dive into the good stuff, and I'll share with you some of these eye-watering numbers. And every time I'm doing research for a video either on YouTube or an article over on the website, when I go down the rabbit hole and start looking at the potential with these methods, it's just ridiculous how much you can earn with this. Now look, if you want free resources for earning online and working from home, go over to my website. It's on the screen. It's called Not Taught at School. We have a members area. We also have the university, which is this over here, with all of the modern day methods for making money online and from home. This is what it looks like on the inside. We cover pretty much everything. Whether you want to start your own online agency, whether we're looking at YouTube, affiliate marketing, TikTok, Fiverr, e-commerce, there's lots of methods in there. So I'll drop a link to that and you can go and have a look at that if you want. So in today's video, I'm going to share this method with you, which is just mind-boggling, the numbers when you start to look at this. So let me come over here. Let's close this down. Let's close this down. And let's come over here. So funnily enough, this is what we're talking about today, which is what you can see on the screen here. It's having your own website or blog. Now don't let that put you off, because you don't need to spend any money with this to get started. You don't need skills, and you definitely do not need any experience for this either. Now, let me share with you some of the numbers. So we've got this over here. This is on Income Diary. 30 blogs that make a lot of money online. Now, bearing in mind, these blogs haven't just appeared from nowhere. They've been around for a number of years, but I'm showing you this to see the end potential with this. So we can see over here, this one website earns, that's monthly. £2 million a month, okay? But let's bring it back, a bit to normality. Let's scroll a bit further down this list. Let's go into the top 10. So, Lifehacker is $110,000 a month. Come further down, we've got 70 grand a month, 60, 50. Comes even further down. I mean, look at this. If you're in position number 30, you're earning 9 grand a month. Okay, so that there is just some different websites which are earning money. But if we come over here, I found this other article over on ryrob.com. This is the average blogger salary by niche. How much bloggers really make. So we can see, as an average, if you're a travel blogger, the average salary is 63,000. We've got 52 for a lifestyle blogger, 43 for a beauty, food blogger, and a fashion blogger. Okay, so we've got all of these different examples on here. Now, here's the thing, okay? When it comes to having a website, whether it's, ones in these categories or even these ones over here, we can actually earn money from a blog/website in a number of ways. So we can see here where it says main income, we have got pay-per-click, we have got advertising banners, we've got private advertising, we've got affiliate commissions, we've got a membership area, we've got banners, and lots more. But I found this article, and again, I'll link this down below for you. 15 different ways that you can make money from blogging. So imagine you have an online asset, which is a blog. Potentially, with one blog, you can monetize that in 15 different ways. So we've got Google AdSense, which is adverts that are on websites. We've got advertising and publishing networks. We've got affiliate ads, sponsored content, which is pretty cool. Basically, somebody will pay you to write content for them, or a lot of the time, they will write the content for you and pay you to put it onto your blog. I like that method myself because very minimal work. We've got direct display ads, social media, online courses, consulting, partnerships, private coaching, book deals, freelance writing, and there's a few more, by the way. There's a few more. You could sell your own digital products. We have ebooks, and I'm sure there's other methods that I can't think of off the top of my head. But if you scroll down here, you can see like potential earnings. So like with affiliate ads, it says you can earn up to $500 a click, which is insane, isn't it? You have one link on a website, you can earn $500. By the way, side note, you can actually earn a lot more than $500, and you can also earn a lot less. We've got Amazon ads and a lot more, and a lot more. So look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share a couple of examples with you, and then I'll share with you some free tools and resources how you can do this method yourself. Because look, it's awesome. If you put in the time and the effort to get this up and running, this will pay you in the long run. And it's like most things when it comes to making money online, okay? It's not difficult. The concept of making money online, whether we are looking at blogging, affiliate marketing, YouTube, and online agency, none of the concepts are difficult when you break it down. The difficult part is putting in the time and the effort and staying consistent. Because, if we come over here and we look at these websites, could you have ever imagined the person over here, the earner, these earners down here, like Mario, this person here, would he have ever imagined he was earning $450,000 a month from a website? Probably not. Come further down the page here, Gina, 110 grand a month from the website. Let's have a look at a website. Let's go into this one here, lifehacker.com. Okay. From the outset, if I landed on this website here, and I'm not being, rude or anything, if I saw this, I would never in a million years believe that website there, Lifehacker, is earning 110 grand a month. Would you? Looking at that? Well, you can see down there, we just had an ad. Look, there's an advert. This here, they're getting paid to have this on their website. Or they have this on the website, and if anybody clicks on these links here, they can also earn money that way. These here are basically ads, which are annoying because they slow your computer down. But if we come down here, look, 88 ways to make this. 9 things that you're not cleaning. It's just mental, isn't it? Come up here, so they've got all of these different categories: food, tech, entertainment, health, money, and other bits. Well, let's just go into one of these, okay? 8 ways to make takeout cheaper. And we can see here, in this example here, look, according to Reddit. So in this example, they're not even doing much of the work themselves. They're going on Reddit, seeing what people are saying, and I'm guessing, come down here, look, let's hit on start the slideshow, go across, come down here, Reddit. So this person on Reddit recommends this for Chinese takeout. That's it. Next slide. This one over here. So in this example, all they've got on here is images and a little bit of text, which they've found from Reddit. Crazy. Let's come back over here. So this website here is predominantly earning their money from advertising banners. And you can see on here we've got an advertisement here, an advertisement here, and I'm sure they've got more on the page. Yeah, another one's just loading up down here. So that's one example for you. But 110 grand a month from that website. Unbelievable, isn't it? Let's come down. Let's look at something a bit different. So let's go ahead and have a look at pay-per-click, advertising banners, pay-per-click. What on earth is this? Let's go and have a look at this. So this website I'm opening up now is earning... What on earth is that? 50 grand a month for this website. 50? Unbelievable. 50 grand a month. Do you think that's hard? It absolutely isn't. I want to find another one. Let's just find one. Let's go ahead and have a look at Shoe Money. 30 grand a month from private advertising. Let's very quickly look at this, and then we'll get into the good stuff, whereby I'll show you how you can set all of this up. So this website over here is earning 30 grand a month. And what have we got on here? Look, Google AdSense. 9 reasons your site rankings have dropped that's it, it's 2021. So in this example over here, the owner of this website, they're not even updating it. That's crazy. Most shared posts, most recommended. Surely they're updating this. But even if they're not, look at this. They've got 401 pages on this website. So, well, how long will it have taken them to create 400 pages of posts? Quite a long time, okay? So that's some examples for you. And to be honest with you, I'm pretty shocked at, at all of those, because they weren't that great, was they, to be absolutely honest with you? But they're all earning money. Now, let me share with you a more realistic approach and a way that you could, do this method yourself. If we go over onto Google and we're in the market for, let's say we're looking for something to buy, okay? Whether that is somebody's birthday, a Christmas present, whether it's as a parent, or whether it's we're trying to buy something for our niece, or even something as simple as a camera or a laptop or anything like that. What happens is people go over to Google and different search engines and they will type something in like this, best. Okay, and we've got a few examples here. Look, best laptop under $500, best bike for a toddler. Let's go with something like best present for a 10-year-old boy. Now, what's going to happen here is I'm going to scroll down here and we can see 45 cool gifts for 10-year-old boys. That there is an affiliate website. They're earning money from affiliate marketing and ads and a number of other ways. So we can see over here on this country living, we've got categories, food and drinks, gardening. Scroll further on the page here, look, ads. They're earning money this way, there's an ad here, they're earning money there. Scroll further on the page here, we can see there's lots more content. Now this one over here, again, look, a little bit of text down here. And then they've got gallery, so go over here. Now guess what, see this here? This is an affiliate link. If I click on that and go over to Amazon, they will earn money from that click if I was to buy it. Same again here, look, go over to Amazon. This one, this one, this one. It's unbelievable. Now, this is why I genuinely love this method for making money online. You can make it as broad or as niche as you like. It's not difficult, it just takes time and effort. And you can also speed this up using AI and other options. But how do we go down the route of, getting a website? Well, over on my website over here, if you come over to blogging and click on resources page, there's lots of information on here for you. Predominantly there's one here which is how to get a self-hosted blog. This will basically take you through the full process of signing up and creating a website, and it shows you the prices on here, how much it will cost and lots more. From memory, yeah, look, $4 a month to get your own website up and running, okay? But if you don't have any money and you want to start this method completely for free, then there's this resource over here. This is called Wealthy Affiliate. It's available in 98 countries, and predominantly this whole thing here is a platform designed for affiliate marketers of all levels. This is all geared around building an online asset, i.e. a blog, and helping you to understand how it works, how to create content, how to transform ideas, how to, different methods for creating articles and lots more. So this is what it looks like on the homepage, but we can see here, look, you can get 2 websites and it's literally drag and drop. No design skills needed. They'll also show you how to attract traffic. So you can see here how to, basically when they're saying attract traffic, what that means is they will show you the best way to structure your articles so that they're found in the search engines, and basically just the best methods for creating an affiliate website. You can see over here that also partner up with, look, you can instantly sell products via Amazon, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, Wealthy Affiliate. Also, they show you different methods for making money with YouTube, but it's awesome. So we can see on here, they're in 193 countries, they've got over 1 million members, they've been around for 17 years, but it's free. Now, once you sign up for free, and again, I'll put a link to this down below, this is what it looks like on the homepage, on the inside, okay? Now, inside of here, on the left-hand side here, you've got top 10 blogs, there's hot topics, there's classes in here, and there's also a live chat. So over on the right-hand side of the page here, we can see people in here having conversations. They're getting help if they're stuck on any questions, then they're asking questions in here. If we go over to the training section over here, there's lots of different things in here for you. So there's getting started, building your own website, making money. There's an affiliate bootcamp over here. There's a training activity, and they also have weekly calls and live calls for different methods for making money online from these different blogs. If I come up here to classes, I'll show you this really quickly. And again, this is all in here. Look, so they've got 70 upcoming classes, and there's over 800 videos and classes like this which you can participate in. So look, tracking your progress with Google search, how to install analytics. Come further down the page here, tracking your progress, And then we've got social media, email marketing, video marketing, Pinterest, lots and lots of stuff inside of this whole community here. And you can also filter it on the right hand side. There's case studies in here, so if you wanted to see, case studies of people and how they're making money on here, look, bringing it all together, how to consistently build compelling, effective brands that last. There's so much awesome stuff inside of this product over here. It's just genuinely awesome. But as you've seen from the beginning of the video, the potential with this for making money online is it's unlimited. You can earn as much money as you like. You can monetize your website or your blog in a number of ways. You've got 15 different options on here, and there's many more different ways that you can do this. But here's the cool thing about this, okay? Once you've created your website, or blog, sorry, once you've created this and you put it online, it's yours. You own it. Nobody can take it away from you. It's not whereby you're creating a Facebook group and Facebook, delete it, or, over on TikTok or YouTube where they can terminate your channels. When you're creating an online asset as a blog, it's yours. The whole thing of your job will be to create the content and then drive traffic over to that. And a lot of that they will teach you inside of this free platform over here. So look, that's today's video. I will put links to everything down below for you. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But yeah, thanks again. Have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.